One more postulate here. I like to call this postulate 3 points, 1 plane. It says that through any 3 non-collinear points, there is exactly 1 plane. This is precisely why photographers use tripods, because when you have 3 points, it will always be stable. It will always be in a single plane. So here's our tripod, and let's suppose that each one of the feet of the tripod is a point, A, B, and C. Then we have 1 plane that goes through them. Okay, let's try this. What plane contains points E, G, and H? Shade the plane. Well, let's see. The 3 points E, G, and H are across the bottom there. So now all that we have to do is choose 3 points to name that plane. Let's call it plane HEF. Yes, you could have called it plane EGH, but that's not very interesting. Let's make this a little bit trickier. What plane contains the points A, B, and G? Shade the plane. Well, first of all, let's take a look. We have A, B across the top left there, and G down in the lower right. So what is the 4th point that will create a parallelogram? Remember that we represent planes with parallelograms. And that would be H there. Very good. So now we can simplify our figure, and we can see the plane. Shall we call it plane AHG, just to be fun? Well, that's pretty much the end of our lesson. We're going to have you do some problems on your own, and then do a lesson check.